Very good morning, all the students of 7th standard. We are learning here the 7th lesson of our, 6th lesson of our geographies. In this 6th lesson of the 7th standard natural regions, the next point, West European region is going on. West European regions, and the climate of this region's area of this regions we will learn. West European regions, location and the areas. This region is located into the western part of continents between 45 degree and 65 degree north and the south parallel. West European region is located into the western part of the continent, that the continent which is located between the 45 to the 65 degree north and the south parallel. In this continent, in this region or the area, West European region is located. Norway is there. Which cities are there? Norway, Denmark, Ireland, British Columbia, South Chile, New Zealand. These cities, countries, mostly they are located into the West European region there, between the 45 degree to the 65 degree north and the south parallel there. Climate, main summer temperature around the 20 degrees Celsius. Main summer temperature of these regions, which is located in the Western European regions, it is around the 20 degrees Celsius. Main winter temperature around 5 degrees Celsius. So summer temperature is also not that much high, 20 degrees Celsius only there, means nearby our winter temperature. And in winter temperature is nearby 5 degrees Celsius, some less than also there. Rainfall is 500 to the 2500 millimeters. Rainfall mostly in the form of the cyclones associated with the westerlies wind. What is the rainfall is there in this region? The rainfall is in the form of the cyclones, and what are the it occurs with the westerlies wind there. It rains throughout the years, and climate is also mild there, cool. Throughout the year rainfall is there, not fixed timing is there, continuously throughout the year at any time there will be rainfall. Cool climate is there, and the natural vegetation of this region is green grasses all the year round that. So if you see that natural vegetations in that plants and the trees, what are the trees are there, plants are there, they are green throughout the year, they are green, and green grasses are also there all the years there, because the rainfall is more. And so what is there throughout the year rainfall, because of the green grasses we can see there everywhere on most of the region or the areas. Trees shed their leaves in the winter. What the trees are there in these regions, they shed their leaves fall down into the winter side, into the time of winter. They shed their leaves fall down, collapse. Coniferous trees and the short grasses mostly we can see in these regions there. Oak, beech, maple, elm, pine, spruce, poplar, such a type of natural vegetations of the trees mostly we can see in this region there. Now, animal life is in this region. Because of the animal husbandry, domesticated animals is in large numbers. Most of the people they are engaged into the animal husbandry occupation there. So domesticated animals they are in a large numbers. The people engaged in domesticated animals there. Wild animals they include there, and along with that some of the wild animals are also there, which includes the wolves, fox or the bears. Such animals also we can see in these regions there. Animal life of these regions, the people those who human life of these regions, people those who live in this region or the areas, their lifestyle, you will see that they are most industrious and enthusiastic people. Industrious are the hard workers people are there. Enthusiastic, great enthusiasm is there in them, more spirit is there, determination is there, strong determinations to do something there. Such kind of people mostly we can see in these regions. Industrious, hard workers, enthusiastic people have been mainly sailors and explorers, and those who are the people in this region, mostly these are the people, they are the sailor or the explorers, voyages, journeys, they do that. Use the woolen clothings. All the people, most of the people, they use the woolen cloth because climate is nearby cold climate is there, so woolen cloth mostly they wear that. have achieved progress in the secondary and tertiary occupation sector. That so most of the people they engage into the secondary occupation and the tertiary occupation, which are depend on the farming, and they achieved the progress, remarkable progress in the secondary and tertiary occupations there, or in this sector. So beside the 9 regions given in the tables there, beside the 9 regions given in the tables, there are certain other distinctive regions which stand out because of their specific continental. These are the 9 regions are there. So which are the 9 regions there? Tundra region, taiga region, grassland region, hot desert regions, grassland, Sudan type, and the equatorial regions. Along with that, monsoon region, Mediterranean region, and West European region. These are the 9 regions are there. Out of beside these 9 regions, and some of the other regions are also there. They are distinctive with their features because their specific continental location. For example, China type regions. This is the distinctive with their St. Lawrence regions. See the context, see extent of these regions in the figure 6.1. They are a little bit different there. Now figure 6.1 is given here. Answer the following questions after studying the above the map. Figure 6.1 there. Which natural regions are found into the India? Wherever the Indian country is there, for example, Indian country is there, and by saying this, what kind of regions we find here in our India? Continental, and what is here? In India, monsoon region we can find here. Index we have to see. By seeing the index we will get the answer there. Which continent comprises a major portions of the hot desert regions? Hot desert region there. So there, African side, if you see there, and American side also there, or Australia's some part, this is the hot desert region. So the area there. Which continent has the highest diversity in the term of natural regions? Which continent has a diversity there? Highest diversity. If you see that, then you can see that American continent and the European continent diversity is mostly we can see there. Why are there fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere than those in the northern hemisphere? Natural regions which differences is there. Climate conditions and the area is also different of this. So differences are there into the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere in the natural regions there. Which natural regions occupies the largest area in the world? Which natural region is occupied as the largest area in the world? For example, if you see that in this the area location between the 40 degree to the what is that north and 20 degrees of the south, between them mostly we can see the differences there, or equatorial regions, grassland regions we can see in this. Where else do we find conditions similar to the continent of Antarctica? Antarctica's conditions we can see, we can find into the southern regions or into the northern, south pole and the north pole, in both regions there, south pole side and the north pole, both are the similar same there. Through which natural region does the prime meridian passes? Whatever the prime meridian is there that passes, the prime meridian it passes to the what is here, African side there. Equatorial regions also passes through there. So some questions are there that we will see tomorrow. By observing this map we can find out the answers of the questions. Okay, bye.